Hello, so today we're doing the Mikayla Paht 2 palette, the smaller one. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going in with soft center right in the crease and just blending it upwards. Now taking charcuterie right in this outer part and into the crease. I think it's pronounced chorizo, and I'm just adding it on the outer V and the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm taking NYX eyeshadow base in Pearl. I'd rather use this than the glitter glue, preferably, and just covering where there's no shadow on my lid. Now I'm taking January 23rd and just patting it on where I put that primer. And I'll take a brush and just go over where I missed with my finger. Now I'm taking Tea Time on the smallest brush I can possibly find and going right around where I put that green to outline it. So this is what I've come up with so far. We're going to finish up the face and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I feel stunning. See, I was doubting that it was gonna pull together after, but once everything's finished and my hair isn't up, I think it looks a lot better. So it takes off the attention. I got bright sparkly green eyeshadow right there. But I think it's cute. I wanna know what you think and what you think of everything.